Hi guys, Ira here and today I'm going to Daejeon and i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano ba yung gastos ko dito sa Korea usually as a traveler or kahit student. So nag-start ako from our school to Sabgi Station and I took taxi which cost me 6,200 won. Then sumakay ako ng subway. Usually yung mga subway expenses is around 1,200 to 3,000 won. Depende siya sa destination mo. And today, I'm heading to Daejeon nga, which is a long ride, mga 1 hour din. And of course, kailangan ko muna ng coffee to survive the trip. That was 2,500 won. And yung KTX ticket ko was 11,000 won. Pagdating ko sa Daejeon, kailangan ko pa sumakay ng bus to get to my guest house and that was 1,500 won. Pag check-in ko, syempre gutom na ako kaya humanap ako ng mas malapit na restaurant. And usually yung food dito ranges from 9,000 won to 12,000. Depende yun kung gaano ka kasosyal, kung ano yung gusto mo. Mine today was 10,000 won. Syempre hindi mawawala yung hot coffee para maraos ko yung gabi ko kasi marami akong gagawin. And that was 3,300 won from Mega. So yeah, ganito yung araw ko as a student sa Korea. Hindi ako mayaman pero alam niyo yun, naiiraos natin. And good thing may wow pass ako para makontrol yung mga expenses ko. Super convenient ito gamitin kasi makikita mo agad kung magkano yung binili mo and pwede mo rin makita yung conversion from won to peso and pwede mo rin makita kung magkano ba yung expenses mo from the past month. Pwede ka din dito mag-load gamit ng PayPal, debit card, o kahit sa WowPass machine na makikita mo sa hotels, stores, or even sa subway stations. And yung pinaka-best part dito, hindi ko na iniisip kung naiwan ko yung T-Money card ko kasi isa lang yung card for everything. Like, anytime pwede ako mag-top up para sa T-Money expenses ko for subway, bus, or taxi. So ayun guys, ganito yung isang araw ko sa Korea at paano ko minamanage yung pera ko para chill lang, hindi stressful. Buti na lang talaga na-discover ko yung WowPass.